In this video, we're going to be speaking about the 10 free tools that you can use to be able to create your product. Now, if you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, the first tool you're going to be looking at is Screencastomatic. It is a video screen recording software. And if you're wanting to, say for example, capture something of what you're doing on your video screen, then you're going to be wanting some sort of screen recorder. And I highly recommend Screencastomatic. It gives really good quality screencasting and it can be used on both Mac as well as Windows. Now, Screencastomatic has been around for quite a few years. Now, the only thing you're going to be needing to pay for is their editing software. And their editing software is something like $20 a year. We can actually have a quick look at the pricing if you wish to. Go here. Very briefly. So if you're doing something, so you've got here $1.65 a month, billed yearly, which works out roughly to be about $20 a year, or maybe even less than that. Or you can go premium, and I think that one's like $20 a year. So really, it's very cheap, and that is to be able to create your videos and have your software and have your editing software and so forth. Now, if you're wanting to use a free editing software and you don't wish to pay for that, we also have the Windows editor. If you're on Windows, all you have to do is go over to the search tab over here, click on that, then type in video editor and you'll come up with this. All you have to do is go over to the corner here, drop in your video that you wish. Sorry, my video is running a bit slow, so you can click on there. You can type in video editor, and this is what it comes up with. And you can click on that, and this is where this is where it'll bring you. Over here on the left hand side, you can then click on here, grab a video, and you can do this. Now, very, very simple. All you have to do is grab this, drag it down to the timeline, pop it there, and you have the option to be able to do some funky things like 3D effects and so forth. It's really very good. Now if I click on that, click on here, just wait a moment, and here it is. And you can do all sorts of fun things with this. I'm going to go there, I'm going to expand that up, and you have a look at this. This is really quite funny. And we'll put this to the beginning and you can watch what's happening. There you go. It's quite funny and it's easy to do, as you just saw. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is have a Word document of some kind. Well, if you go over to office.com, you can actually, and sign up to there, you can actually get a free Word account. You can actually get, on the online section, you don't have to download you don't have to have it on a download or anything like that. But if you go to the Office, if you go to office.com, you can actually get all their tools for free. Okay, it may not have all the functionality as to what you'd get if you had if you could download it onto your desktop, but it's still functional enough for you to be able to create the product you want to be able to create. If you're just wanting a simple Word document where you can create a ebook or something like that, this is a great option. You also have the ability to do PowerPoint presentations and record on that if you wish to as well. Now, another thing you can do if you don't really want to give Bill Gates any money, you can go over here to Google Docs. And Google Docs is fantastic when it comes to creating various digital products. And you can turn these into PDFs and so forth as well. and they have lots of different things you can try. Now, if you're a bit reluctant to use that one as well, there's also Apache OpenOffice. OpenOffice Writer has been around for a long time, and we're currently up to version 4.17. And they're always improving, and I have to say, it really is quite good. It's about as good as what Windows 95 used to be. And even though it doesn't have all the functionality of what your current Windows 365 has, or should I say Microsoft Office 365 has, it's still very good for what you want to do. If you're wanting to create a PDF ebook or something like that, this is really, really easy to do on this. Now, let's move over to the next thing. If you're wanting to, say for example, have a free website because you can't afford the host, you can't afford to get hosting, you can't afford to buy a domain name, we have this option here. It's called Wix. Now Wix is fantastic. It gives you some amazing templates, and it's completely free if you don't wish to purchase their hosting and you don't wish to purchase their email account. They have got hundreds upon hundreds of templates that you can choose from to be able to create your product. And it is amazing, and it's very intuitive. And in fact, I love this so much that I have a cleaning company and I use their website for my cleaning company. The cleaning business I have is I just use Wix, and they give me pre-edited software where all I had to do is just fill in a few blanks here and there, and my business was up and running within the day. My website, I should say, for my business was up and running within the day, and all I had to do was upload a few videos, or should say upload a video, change a few words around here and there, and it was done. Very, very simple, very, very easy. In fact, I purchased the website hosting and also the domain name, and therefore I was able to get pre-copyrighted stuff that I could just use, which was really good. Now, the next place we're going to be needing to go to, GrooveFunnels for free. Now, it's limited in its functionality, but if you're wanting something basic that can get you started, then this is definitely the way to go. And it starts off free, and it stays free for as long as you wish to have it at the free option. But if you want to have the more advanced features, then you can pay for the advanced features later on. If you want to have, say, free video hosting, then you can go to a place called Streamable. Now, why would you want to go to Streamable instead of YouTube? Well, because on Streamable, you'll be able to put this onto your website, you'll be able to put this anywhere you want, and the best part about it is it doesn't look like YouTube. Now, the reason why you don't want to make it look like YouTube is because people will see something from YouTube and go, oh, I'll just go to YouTube and watch it on YouTube, find their playlists and just watch it from that. You don't want that. So what you want to do is have it that it's going to be really awkward for anyone to just find the video accidentally and then start watching it for free. If you especially have a membership site or something like that, and you want to be able to make it that people are paying for the content, then this is the way to go. Now, the best part about it is you can upload 1 gig of video at a time, which is about a 10-minute video, and that's completely free. If you wish to have unlimited, say for example you want to make a 15 or 20-minute video, then all you need to do is pay $7 a month paid annually, and you've also got the custom pricing just here as well. However, if you don't want to go that way and you'd like to use YouTube, you can still use YouTube if you wish to. Now, it would be remiss of me to not show you YouTube, as obviously it's a place that everyone knows about and so forth. And you can also make money from YouTube if you have enough subscribers and you have enough watch time. Okay, now say for example you've created all your Word documents, or you've created your video I should say, and you wish to be able to turn that into a Word document that you can sell as an ebook. You can go over here to otter.ai. Now otter.ai allows you to upload 3 videos for free, and then you'll need to pay after that. And once you have the 3 videos transcribed, you can then turn them into an ebook. Once you start making money on that, you can then purchase this as well. Now, before you go any further, you'll want to make sure that you can mind map your tools. You want to be able to mind map your ideas and so forth, and the best one I'm aware of is FreeMind. The best part about FreeMind is it's something that can be used completely free, and from my understanding it can also be used for iOS as well as Mac as well as PC. Now for example, you want to have an email. You want to be able to do free emails. Well, I want to give you some really amazing information. At the moment, and forever on I believe, Aweber is offering their services for free up to the first 500 subscribers. And you can create your account for free, and you can get up to 500 subscribers for free. They finally caught up to the freemium idea, which is fantastic. And you know, let's face it, Aweber is amazing. They're easy to use, and they've been around for quite a long time. Now, if you don't, I would highly recommend Aweber as being the main account you would use. And when you got big enough, if you had say more than 500 subscribers, that's when you then decide to start paying for it. By then you should be making money anyway. Now let's say for example you want to have some beautiful images that you'd like to use. I have 3 places you can look at here. There is a place called Unsplash. Now Unsplash has been around for quite a while, and they say they have millions of images that you can choose from, and they are fantastic. Another place you can go to is Pexels. Now a good thing about Pexels is you can also have videos. If you wish to have a video background somewhere, or you want to be able to get some free videos that you can use, they have lots and lots of videos that you can use. Now one of my favorite places I can go to is called Clean PNG, and the best part about it is it gives you PNG images with transparent backgrounds, and that's fantastic for when you're wanting to create items for your PowerPoint presentation and you want to have a transparent background. So Clean PNG is another free place you can go to get your images. It is fantastic. It's one of my favorite places to go. And my suggested place for this is Canva. Now Canva has been around for a long time, and the good part about it, I use Canva a lot of the times for my YouTube thumbnails, as well as other things as well. And you'll find that they are fantastic for creating lots and lots of different things. And I would highly recommend them no matter what. If you're wanting to create a logo, then Canva is the way to go. Right, so with Canva you can do all sorts of different things. You can create Facebook pages, you can create YouTube thumbnails. There are lots and lots of different things you can do. You can create YouTube art, for example your channel art. It's just so many things you can do. You can even create ebooks here if you wish to. And you'll find the amount of things that you can do is practically unlimited. There are 10 tools that you can use to be able to start creating your product quickly and easily. Now if you like this video, please make sure you smash this like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. And along with that, please make sure you hit that all button as well, so as you can be notified for all the videos we upload. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and Anything I might have links to will be in the description below. Thank you very much, and bye for now.